Welcome back to All Rustic, your favorite corner for all things home design and timeless decor inspiration. As the frost begins to melt away and the first blossoms peek through the soil, there is no better place to invite the spirit of renewal than into the heart of your home. Today, we are exploring how to cultivate a cozy spring kitchen mood that balances vintage cottage warmth with the refreshing energy of the new season. If you are looking for ways to make your home feel more intentional and soul-soothing, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share your favorite spring decor tip in the comments below. Let's dive into the art of seasonal transformation and discover how soft color accents can breathe new life into your culinary sanctuary. Embracing the softness of a spring palette. The foundation of a cozy spring kitchen begins with a thoughtful shift in your color story, moving away from the heavy textures of winter towards something much lighter. Imagine the gentle hues of a misty morning, where sage greens, buttery creams, and dusty roses take center stage against a backdrop of natural wood. These soft color accents do not demand attention but rather whisper a sense of calm and serenity into the room. By incorporating these tones through linen dish towels, ceramic pitchers, or even a fresh coat of paint on a focal cabinet, you create a visual bridge between the indoors and the awakening world outside. This palette serves as a canvas for the vintage elements that give a cottage kitchen its unique, lived-in character and undeniable charm. The timeless appeal of vintage textures. To achieve true cottage warmth, one must look to the past and embrace materials that have a story to tell. Think of the tactile beauty of a weathered wooden farmhouse table, the cool touch of an apron-front stone sink, or the intricate patterns of heirloom lace draped over a small window. These vintage textures provide a grounding contrast to the lightness of spring, ensuring the space feels substantial and cozy rather than fleeting or cold. Incorporating antique brass hardware or a reclaimed timber shelf allows the kitchen to feel curated over time, reflecting a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. When we surround ourselves with objects that have history, the kitchen becomes more than just a place for meal preparation, it becomes a gallery of memories and comfort. Layering light and airy textiles. As the days grow longer and the sun sits higher in the sky, the way we use textiles in the kitchen should reflect this newfound brightness. Replace heavy, dark rugs with lightweight jute runners or hand-woven cotton mats featuring simple botanical motifs or soft stripes. Instead of thick curtains that block the view, consider sheer café curtains that allow the golden hour light to dance across your countertops while still providing a sense of privacy. These fabric choices add a layer of softness that softens the hard surfaces of appliances and stone, creating a tactile experience that is essential for a cozy atmosphere. The goal is to create an environment that feels breezy and effortless, capturing the very essence of a cottage garden in full bloom. Bringing the outdoors in with Foraged decor. Nothing says spring quite like the introduction of living greenery and fresh floral arrangements placed thoughtfully throughout the kitchen space. For a vintage cottage look, skip the formal bouquets from the florist and instead opt for foraged branches, wild lilacs, or simple jars filled with fragrant eucalyptus. Placing these natural elements in mismatched antique crocks or weathered glass bottles adds an organic, unstudied beauty to your counters and windowsills. The presence of plants not only purifies the air but also provides a vibrant pop of color that complements your soft accent palette perfectly. Whether it is a small pot of basil on the ledge or a large vase of cherry blossoms, these living accents are the heartbeat of a spring-inspired home. The art of open shelving and curated displays. Open shelving is a hallmark of the cottage aesthetic, offering a wonderful opportunity to showcase your collection of vintage finds and seasonal kitchenware. During the spring months, rotate your heavy stoneware for delicate porcelain teacups, pastel-colored mixing bowls, and clear glassware that reflects the natural light. Arrange these items with a sense of rhythm, leaving enough negative space so the shelves do not feel cluttered or overwhelming to the eye. You might tuck a small sprig of dried lavender between plates or lean an old wooden cutting board against the wall for added depth. This approach to styling allows your everyday essentials to serve as decor, making the kitchen feel functional yet incredibly beautiful and personalized to your unique taste. Creating a warm and inviting breakfast nook. The breakfast nook is often the soul of a cottage kitchen, providing a dedicated spot for slow mornings and quiet reflection over a cup of coffee. To infuse this area with spring warmth, add plush seat cushions in soft gingham patterns or floral prints that echo the colors used elsewhere in the room. A small wooden pedestal table paired with vintage bistro chairs creates an intimate setting that feels like a hidden corner of a countryside manor. Consider hanging a low-profile pendant light with a pleated fabric shade to cast a soft, diffused glow over the space during the early hours. By focusing on comfort and simplicity, you turn a small corner into a sanctuary where the transition from sleep to the day feels like a gentle embrace. The sensory experience of spring scents. A truly cozy mood is not just about what we see, but also about the scents that fill the air and evoke a sense of nostalgic comfort. In a spring kitchen, the aroma of lemon zest, fresh mint, and baking bread can instantly elevate the atmosphere from ordinary to extraordinary. Consider simmering a small pot of water on the stove with slices of citrus and a few sprigs of rosemary to naturally fragrance your home. Soy candles with notes of lily of the valley or sweet pea can also add a layer of olfactory delight that reinforces the seasonal theme. When the scent of the kitchen matches its visual beauty, the result is a multi-sensory experience that makes every moment spent in the space feel intentional and deeply satisfying. Functional vintage decor for everyday use. Incorporating vintage elements into your kitchen does not mean sacrificing modern functionality, rather, it is about finding beauty in the tools we use every day. An antique copper kettle sitting on the range or a set of hand-forged measuring spoons hanging from a peg rail adds a touch of old-world soul to your routine. Look for vintage-inspired canisters to store your flour and sugar, choosing designs that feature soft colors or subtle embossing that fits the cottage theme. These small details may seem insignificant on their own, but collectively they build a narrative of warmth and care. By choosing functional items that are also aesthetically pleasing, you ensure that even the most mundane tasks are infused with a sense of joy and artistic expression. Cultivating a home that feels like spring. As we wrap up our journey through these cozy spring kitchen ideas, remember that the most important element of any home is the feeling of peace it provides to those who live within its walls. Transitioning your decor for the season is a beautiful way to honor the rhythms of nature and practice mindfulness in your daily life. We hope these tips on vintage cottage warmth and soft color accents have inspired you to refresh your own space with love and creativity. Thank you so much for spending time with us here at All Rustic. Your support means the world to our creative community. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment telling us which idea you plan to try first. We look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue to find beauty in every corner.